Assalamu alaikum. This is exam October-November 2023 for OL students 1H Excel. Let's start. Question number 1. Venn diagram, we have set A and B, and the question is list the members of the set A. So we have here 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15. A intersect B, have 5 and 15. A union B dash means A and B except A and B, so we have the numbers outside 6, 8, 12, 14, and 16. Okay, question number 2, factorize, so we can get the highest common factor of 12 and 18, which is 6, and the highest common factor for the variables, it's P, so it's 2Q minus 3. There are 56 metal bars in a box. Each metal bar is gold or silver or zinc. Y metal bars are gold. 3y plus 7 silver, 2y minus 5 zinc. Work out the number of metal bars that are zinc. Okay, so we need to get the zinc metal bars. Okay, so first we need to get the variable, which is y. So we have y plus 3y plus 7 plus 2y minus 5 equals 56. So 6y plus 2, in the other side it will be 54. So y will be equal 54 divided 6, which is equal 9. Then we need to get the zinc, so it's 2 multiply 9 minus 5, which is equal 13. Joshua buys a car for 12,500. He sells the car to Nina and pays a deposit 1,500 followed by 36 monthly. Work out the percentage profit. So here for Nina, she paid 1,500 plus 36 multiply 450, which is equal 36 multiply 450 plus 1,500, 17700. So the percentage profit is the difference 17700 minus 12500 over the original, which is 12500 multiply 100. So here minus 12,500 over 12,500 multiply 100, so it's equal 41.6%. A pie spinner has 3 sections, each of a different color. We have a table for the probability. Work out the value of x, so we know that the total probability equals 1. So we have 3x equal 0.42. So x will be equal 0.42 divided 3, which is equal 0.14. Then the spinner spun 250 times. Work out, estimate the number of spin. It lands on blue. So we have blue 0.58 multiply 250, which is equal 0.58 multiply 250 equal 145. The diagram shows a shaded shape made from 3 identical semicircles. AC is the diameter of circle, center X, and C is center of Y, D is center of Z, and each one of these lines is diameter AC and BD and CE equal 20 centimeter. Work out the parameter of the shaded shape. So for the parameter, first we have this is the radius, so it's 10. We have diameter 20, and this is 10 centimeter. And we need to get the 3 semicircles, the circumference of 3 semicircles. So we can that the parameter equals 2 multiply 10 plus 3 multiply 2 pi r over 2. Okay, semicircle, the circumference of the semicircle, and divide by 2. The circumference of the circle divide by 2 and multiply by 3. And we have the radius here is 10. So we can calculate that 2 multiply 10 is 20, then plus 3 multiply 10 multiply pi. It's 114.247 or 248. Correct to the nearest whole number, so it will be 114 centimeters. Question number 6. Jerome wants to buy a ticket to fly from Madrid to Berlin. He finds 2 different types of tickets. We have ticket A, 1/6 of normal price, and ticket B, 20% of the normal price. The sale price of ticket A is 140. So for ticket A, we can say it's 1/6 multiply 140, which is equal 23.33. And the price of B is 20% multiply 136, which is equal 27.2. Work out the difference between A and B. Work out the difference between the normal price of ticket A and the normal price of ticket B. So here the normal price, okay, this is, okay, we calculated the difference, so we need, okay. Here we have 140 in ticket A. This is the sale price. So 140 is the sale price, which is equal 1/6 of the normal price. To get the normal price, it will be 140 divided 1/6. So it's 840. And for ticket B, 20% normal price equals 136. So the normal price will be equal 136 divided 20%, 680. So here the difference will be equal 840 minus 680, which is equal 160. Okay. Common factor between 2 numbers and give your answer as a product with a prime factor. So the highest common factor, we are taking the lowest powers of the common factor. So we have 5 power 3, 7 power 2, 11 power 4. So 5 power 3, 7 power 2, 11 power 4. Solve inequality. Subtract 3x on the left side, so it's 5x minus 4 is greater than or equal -10. Then add 4, so it's -6. Then divide by 5, -6 over 5, or -1.2. Shading, define the region R using inequalities. So first we are going to try the equation of each line. So this line is x equals 7, this line is y equals 2, and this line is y equals x y equals x. So here we have the shaded region is to the left of x equals 7, so it's less than 7, and it's greater than 2, and it's less than x. So x is less than 7, y is greater than 2, y is less than x. Ordinary form, we can use a calculator. 5.87 multiply 10 power negative 4, which is equal 0.3087. Here is 8.4 multiply 10 power 6, 7. The number human brain is this, and the number for the monkey is this. Number is k multiply the human brain is k multiplied the number of neurons of monkey. Work out the value of k. So here we are going to divide 8.5 multiply 10 power 10 divided 1.47 multiply 10 power 9. Okay, here 8.5 divided 1.47, it's 5.782, and multiply 10. So we need to work the value of k, so this will be the value of k 57.8.